The Assembly will now take a decision on draft resolution A/71/L3 entitled Necessity of Ending the Economic, Commercial and Financial Embargo Imposed by the United States of America against Cuba. So the result of the vote is as follows: in favor 191, against 0, and abstentions 2. Draft resolution A/71/L3 is adopted.
For more than 50 years, the United States had a policy aimed at isolating the government of Cuba. For roughly half of those years, UN member states have voted overwhelmingly for a General Assembly resolution that condemns the U.S. embargo and calls for it to be ended. The United States has always voted against this resolution. Today, the United States will abstain.